Hello everyone. Today we will solve exercise number 3.2, that is based on the addition and multiplication of two matrices. First question is, let A is the matrix 2 4 3 2, B 1 3 minus 2 5 and C minus 2 5 3 4. We need to find A plus B, A minus B, 3A minus C, A into B multiplication, B into A. So first one, we need to find A plus B. A is equals to matrix A is equals to here 2 4 3 2. Matrix B is equals to 1 3 minus 2 5 and matrix C is equals to minus 2 5 3 4. First A plus B. So A plus B, addition of two matrices 2 4 3 2 plus B 1 3 minus 2 5. In addition, we add the corresponding element. Here we add 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3, 4 plus 3 which is equals to 7, 3 plus minus 2 which is equals to 1, 2 plus 5, last one is the 7. So this is the answer 3717. Next question is A minus B. We need to subtract A and B. So A 2 4 3 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 5. So the answer is here. Now 2 minus 1, that is equals to 1, 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus minus 2 5, 2 minus 5, that is equals to minus 3. Next 3A minus C. Third question. So 3 into matrix A, that is equals to 2 4 3 2 minus C matrix minus 2 5 3 4. So first we need to multiply matrix A by the value 3. So each and every element of A multiply by 3. So 3 into 2, first element 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6 minus C minus 2 5 3 4. दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. 6 minus of minus 2 which is equals to here 8, 12 minus 5 7, 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 5, sorry 6 minus 4 which is equals to 2. Next, fourth number question. We need to multiply A and B, A into B. So first matrix A 2 4 3 2 multiply by matrix B 1 3 minus 2 5. Now in the previous video we have seen that in multiplication फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स में आपको रो वाइज जाना है, सेकंड के अंदर कॉलम वाइज. सो 2 इंटू 1 करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है यहाँ पे. सो 2 को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है यहाँ पे. सो 2 इंटू 1 प्लस यहाँ पे फर्स्ट रो के अंदर 4, फर्स्ट कॉलम के अंदर माइनस 2, 4 इंटू माइनस 2. नाउ फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, सो 2 इंटू 3 प्लस 4 into 5. Now second row, first column 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. Second row, second column 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. So here answer is 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 plus 20, 3 minus 4 9 plus 10. So the answer is here 2 minus 8, which is equals to minus 6, 26, minus 1 and 19. This is the matrix A into B. Next is the B into A. Fifth number, B into A. First matrix B, 1, 3, minus 2, 5, multiply by A, 2, 4, 3, 2. We know that matrix multiplication is not commutative, so AB not equals to BA, may or may not equals to BA. नाउ यहाँ पे अगेन मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स में रो वाइज, सेकंड के अंदर कॉलम वाइज. 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 3 इंटू 3, 1 इंटू 4 प्लस 3 इंटू 2, देन माइनस 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 5 इंटू 3, minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into again 2. So 1 into 2, 2, 3 3s are 9, 1 4, 4 plus 6, minus 4 plus 15 and minus 8 plus 10. So the final answer 2 plus 9 is equals to 11, 6 plus 4 is equals to 10, 15 minus 4 that is equals to 11, 10 minus 8 which is equals to 2. So this is equals to B A. Next, second question. Second number question. So this one is the answer BA. Now second, compute the following. In the first question we need to add two matrices. Second question again we need to add. थर्ड के अंदर भी एडिशन, फोर्थ के अंदर भी एडिशन करना है यहाँ पे हमको. सो आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फर्स्ट ए बी minus B A plus A B B A plus A that is equals to 2A, B plus B which is equals to 2B, minus B plus B is equals to 0, and final A plus A that is equals to 2A. Okay, next question, second number, A square plus B square, B square plus C square, A square plus C square, A square plus B square, plus next matrix is the 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC and minus 2AB. So यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB, बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर प्लस 2BC, ए स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर माइनस 2AC, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB, this can be written as A plus B whole square. This is equals to B plus C whole square, A minus C whole square, and this will be the A minus B whole square. So this is the answer. In the next question, third number, again we need to add the two matrices, minus 1 4 minus 6, 8, 5, 16, 2, 8, 5 plus 12, 7, 6, 8, 0, 5, 3, 2, 4 डायरेक्टली ऐड कर देते हैं. -1 plus 12 is equals to 11. 4 plus 7 11, minus 6 plus 6 0, 8 plus 8 16, 5 plus 0 5, 16 plus 5 21, 2 plus 3 5, 8 plus 2 10, 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So this one is the answer. Next, fourth number. First matrix is the cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. So first cos square plus sin square, cos square x plus sin square x. Second, sin square x plus cos square x. Then sin square x plus again cos square x, and last one is a cos square x plus sin square x. We know that cos square x plus sin square x, that is equals to 1, identity. So 1, again sin square cos square 1, sin square plus cos square 1, sin square plus cos square is equals to 1. So answer is 1 1 1 1. Next, third question. We need to find the product of these two matrices. A B minus B A, that is multiplied by A minus B B A. Now the answer, multiplication. In the first matrix रो वाइज, सेकंड मैट्रिक्स के अंदर हमको कॉलम वाइज जाना है, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. तो फर्स्ट ए इंटू ए प्लस बी इंटू ए. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम ए इंटू माइनस बी प्लस बी इंटू ए. नेक्स्ट माइनस बी इंटू बी प्लस ए इंटू बी, minus b into a, sorry, and minus b into minus b plus a into a. So first a into a, that is a square, plus here also a into a, b into b plus b square. This one is the minus ab plus ab. This is again minus ab plus ab, minus minus plus, that is b square plus a square. So the answer is final a square plus b square 0 0, a square plus b square. Next, same question, 3 number, that one second question. We need to multiply these two matrices. First matrix 1 2 3 and second matrix is the 2 3 4. One, two, three, and the second matrix is of the order. So first matrix, first of all, here of the order 3 rows and 1 column. in the second matrix there are 1 row and 3 column. So multiplication is possible here, and order of the matrix, that will be the 3 cross 3. So now let us multiply. In the first matrix we need to go row wise, in the second matrix we need to go column wise. तो फर्स्ट 1 इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम के अंदर एलिमेंट 2, तो 1 इंटू 2 रो कॉलम. नाउ फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम 1 इंटू 3 1 इंटू 4. नेक्स्ट सेकंड रो 2 इंटू 2 2 इंटू 3 2 इंटू 4. नाउ थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम पहले 3 इंटू 2. नाउ थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम 3 इंटू 3 3 into 4. So which is equals to 2 3 4 4 2 3 are 6 4 2 are 8 3 2 are 6 3 3 are 9 4 3 are 12. So this one is the answer. Now in the same question, if we multiply two matrices 2 3 4 in the different order, then what happened? Look at here, first row first column. पहले फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर 1 क्रॉस 3 है, सेकंड मैट्रिक्स का 3 क्रॉस 1. मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल एंड फाइनल मैट्रिक्स विल बी ऑफ द ऑर्डर 1 क्रॉस 1. So now let's multiply it. Row first and first column. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. First row second column, hey second row no. So this one is the answer. So 2 plus 3 2 are 6 plus 4 3 are 12. So answer is 12 plus 6 18 plus 2, that is equals to 20. This is of the order 1 cross 1. This one is the extra. Okay. Next, third question, we need to multiply these two matrices. First matrix 2 rows and the 2 column. In the second matrix there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So let's solve it. One 2 minus 2 3, that is multiply by 1 2 3 2 3 1. First matrix of the order 2 cross 2, second matrix 2 row 3 column. So matrix multiplication possible and answer will be of the order 2 cross 3. Now again multiply it, first row first column 1 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2. First row second column 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. Then 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. Next second row first column 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Then 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. So 1 into 1, that is 1 minus 4. Second 2 minus 6, then 3 minus 2. 2 plus 6, 4 plus 9, 3 to the 6 plus 3. So the answer is here 1 minus 4, that is equals to minus 3. 2 minus 6, that is equals to minus 4. 3 minus 2, that is equals to 1. 2 plus 6, which is equals to 8. 4 plus 9 is equals to 13, and 6 plus 3, that is equals to 9. Next question 4. Again we need to multiply two matrices. Here both the matrices are of the order 3 cross 3. So now multiply it again. Answer is here 2 3 4 3 4 5 4 5 6, that is multiply by 1 minus 3 5 0 2 4 3 0 5. Both matrices are of the order 3 cross 3. First matrix row wise, second matrix column wise. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. Now first row second column, 2 into 3 minus 3 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0, then 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5. In the second, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3. Next, second row second column, 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0, then 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5. Now third row first column, 4 into 1 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3, then 4 into minus 3 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. Third row third column, 5 into 5 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 5. Now 2 plus 0 plus 12, 2 3s are minus 6 plus 6 plus 0, 10 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 5 4s are 20. Next one is a 3 plus 0 plus 15, 3 3s are minus 9 plus 8 plus 0, 15 plus 16 plus 25, 4 1s are 4 plus 0 plus 18, 4 3s are minus 12 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 0, 4 5s are 20 plus 20 plus 30. So the answer is 12 plus 2, which is equals to 24, minus 6 plus 6, that is equals to 0. 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. 0. 20 plus 10 30 plus 12, which is equals to 42. 15 plus 3 18, minus 9 plus 8 minus 1, 15 plus 25 40, 40 plus 16, that is equals to 56. 4 plus 8 22, minus 12 plus 10 minus 2, 20 20 40 30 70. So this is the multiplication of two matrices. Next, fifth question, we need to multiply these two matrices, 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 2 1. So the answer is, first we write both the matrices 2 1 3 2 minus 1 1 multiply by 1 0 1 minus 2 2 1. Now first matrix is of the order 3 cross 2. Second, there are 2 rows and the 3 columns. So matrix multiplication possible and answer will be of the matrix of the order 3 cross 3. Let's multiply. First row first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. First row now, second column, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Next, second row first column, 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1, 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Third row first column, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1, then minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Simplify it. 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 1, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, 0 plus 4, 3 plus 2, minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1. So, here answer is 2 minus 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. This one is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. Next, in the third question, 6 number, 3 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 2 minus 3, 1, 0, 3, 1. Now, solution is 6 number. First we write 3 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, that is multiply by 2 minus 3, 1, 0, 3, 1. Three into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3, first row first column. Now, first row second column, 3 into minus 3 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Second row first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3, then minus 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1. So, the answer is 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1 plus 9, 6 minus 1 plus 9, minus 9 plus 0 plus 3, minus 2 plus 0 plus 6, 3 plus 0 plus 2. So, 6 minus 1, that is equals to 5 plus 9, which is equals to 14. Then minus 6, 6 minus 2, which is equals to 4, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So, this is the multiplication. In the next video, we will solve the next question, question number 4. Thank you.